The new year is time for a fresh start with family meals and entertaining recipes. Here to share some of her Start Fresh recipes is food influencer, cookbook author, and mother of 4, Maegan Brown, also known as the Baker Mama. Welcome to the show.
Absolutely. With 4 busy kids, I'm all about mixing it up, really keeping mealtime exciting and interesting for everyone. I try to use new and on-trend foods and just our favorite dishes. And as you can see here, I've really incorporated some of those fresh picks into some great recipes that the whole family will enjoy. Thousands of customers throughout the country voted on their favorite fresh picks that you can find at your local Albertsons and Safeway. And I have used those to inspire these dishes from O Organics to Signature Select and Open Nature. You are going to love these recipes. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and these egg bites are perfect. They are protein packed. You can make them ahead of time. They're so easy to make, and everyone loves them. I've used O Organics eggs and spinach to incorporate into these for a good organic start to your day. You whip everything up in one bowl, pour it into a mini muffin pan, bake them up, and when they come out of the oven, they're fresh and hot. You can find all of the recipes at albertsons.com/ourbrands or safeway.com/ourbrands.